Waterpik, the market leader in shower heads, brings you its latest innovation for an important member of the family, your dog. Introducing the Pet Wand Pro, a professional-grade cleaning tool that'll change the way both of you think about bath time. With the flip of a switch, the Pet Wand Pro is ready to use. The contoured wand design shapes the innovative water combing spray to penetrate even the thickest fur, quickly rinsing dirt and shampoo that other methods miss for a faster, more thorough clean. With the Easy Select spray dial, you can switch between spray options and have complete control over the water pressure in each setting, from water combing for powerful deep cleaning down to narrow targeted spray for gentle and soft cleaning. Or pause the flow to a trickle when you need 2 free hands. The Pet Wand Pro is also perfect for outdoor bathing. The 8-foot flexible swivel hose connects easily to your garden hose with the outdoor adapter. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, Waterpik's Pet Wand Pro will allow you to spend less time bathing and more playtime with your pet. Waterpik Pet Wand Pro. Bathe faster, play longer.
As a cherished member of your family, your pet loves to go places with you. Because a traditional pet water bowl isn't practical for every situation, you need a better pet water bottle.
Conventional dog collars offer you little control, and they can seriously damage your dog's neck and throat. The Rabbit Goo no-pull dog harness provides the control you want, plus the comfort and safety your pet deserves. First, unbuckle the chest strap and loosen the neck strap. Keeping the side with a handle facing up, gently slip your dog's head through the opening. Tighten the neck strap, leaving a width of 2 fingers to avoid choking. Finally, buckle and adjust the chest strap. Again, leaving a width of 2 fingers to keep the harness loose and comfortable. The Rabbit Goo no-pull dog harness is available in 5 sizes and 3 colors, all featuring reflective stitching for nighttime visibility. And it works great with the Rabbit Goo heavy-duty leash. The Rabbit Goo no-pull dog harness is not chew-proof. At times when the harness is not in use, please don't leave it where your dog could reach and possibly destroy it. Order yours today.
Muchas gracias y hasta el próximo vídeo. No olvides suscribirte para más vídeos interesantes. Hasta pronto.